Hello guys, let's start with coming week price action. So I will analyze this 4 5 pairs because these are the pairs I am trading right now. So let's first start with uh, news. What do we have in this week? So let's start with the dollar. So we are end of the week for this month. So we have FOMC in this week. Monday we don't have any news. Tuesday we don't have any news. Wednesday we have FOMC, so we will not look to trade on Wednesday prior to FOMC. And Thursday, Friday will be the volatile days I am expecting because it is post FOMC days. So the majority of the move will happen on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'll not look to take any trades on Wednesday and Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday is the day I look to trade. So this is the news for US pairs. And what about Euro and GBP? So this is a quite slow week because we have only Euro news on a Thursday. So we'll stay cautious and we will trade according to the price action. Okay. So let's come to the chart. So what do we have on DXY? Let's see the monthly, how the candle is forming. So the monthly candle is forming a expansion candle. That means small wick and we can expect this body to expand. So this is looking bullish. And if you see the weekly, what do we have? We swept the range low. We swept the range low. Now we can look to target the range high. This is my expectation. And what we have done, uh, we are respecting the down close candle. If you see this down close candle got respected here. Again, this down close candle got respected. And this candle didn't close above this, down close candle. It would have been better if this up close candle, close above this down close candle, then that would be the order block. So yeah, some failures are to the upside, I can see. So I am expecting bullish price action on, dollar also. So let's see the daily if we have something clear. We respected this down close candle here, and what do we have? We expanded. This is looking like some V-shape signature. If this is a reversal, so we can now target these equal highs. First target is here for the week because if you see this high are equal, so this would be the nice target. Then ultimate target would be these highs. Okay. So what we did Friday took this range low. If you see this is a single candle, this candle is inside this candle. That means what? This is inside bar. We took the range low. Now we can target range highs. Also, what we have done, we respected this fair value gap on the daily. So yeah, this is not the nice bullish candle. This is looking like some kind of indecision candle because if you see both side wicks are equal. Also there is no body. So we'll stay cautious. If price wants to expand, it should expand. It should respect this 50% of the week and it should expand. This is my idea. So for the week, I am bullish on the the dollar. So what we have done. See, this is equal highs, okay? So this could be the nice target. And yeah, we came down towards this daily fair value gap and we close above the range. This is the range, consolidation range. If we shift one side of the range, we can expect to continue to the upside. Okay, this was my idea. Yeah, bullish on the dollar. If I am bullish on the dollar, we can expect downside move on euro and GBP USD. So let's analyze euro USD. Euro USD, what kind of candle we are forming on the monthly? This looking like bearish expansion candle. Small wick, we form the body. Okay, what else? We already set this range high. We can target the range low. This is the drawn liquidity. But though we are reacting from this previous month low. So this is the liquidity point. So we are reacting from here. So what we are doing, like if you see this price action, this is a whole ranging price action. Okay, see this whole is a range. This is not ideal. This is ideal to trade. Like this is expansion. Now this is a ranging price action. So it is hard to take trades on here. Okay, still we will. we will see what we can, what do we have here? We have this equal highs, if you can, equal lows, if you can see. This could be the nice target for the coming week. Okay. So yeah, what do we have on the daily? Daily, if you see this, these lows are nice drawn liquidity. And from where we are reacting, if you see, this is the consecutive up close candle. So we reacting from this order block. Okay, we reacted from the order block. We came down to this fair value gap and we inverted this fair value gap. Okay, so bullish fair value gaps are getting disrespected, and this is the bearish fair value gap, and price some kind of respected it. If you see, this is a long week, but not a bearish close. So yeah, it's respecting the daily fair value gap. And if you see below, we have failure sync. See this low, low, low. These all are failure sync. If you see in 1 hour, you'll see this thing. See this thing. These are close lows. So this could be the nice target. So yeah, euro also aligning with the dollar. Do we have any kind of SMT? Yes, we do have SMT here with GU. So this is a nice confluence for reversal. So yeah, expecting bearish move on euro also. Okay, so but euro is a little bit stronger than GU. If you see, we made higher high here, but if you see GBP USD, we made lower highs. So if I want to short, it would be better to short GU, not euro, because it will take deeper retracement and will take me out. So it is better to short GBP USD, but still the drawn liquidity is intact to this downside. Okay. Come to the GBP USD, what do we have? GBP USD is a bit of weaker. If you see this monthly close, we are now below the previous month low. If you see Euro USD, what do we have? We are struggling to close, come below this previous month low. That means what? That means Euro USD is stronger than GBP USD. Okay. So we have SMT here with GU. We have SMT. Now what do we have? Nice target is this equal lows. Okay, this would be the nice target. Come to the weekly. What do we have? We closed bearish on euro. See this down close candle, how small it is. See this on GBP USD. That is showing the strength. Okay, now strength, weaknesses on the GU. Okay, GU close below this up close candle. Okay, that is what I'm telling. So now what do we have on the daily? Daily, we have this low as a target. Also, what we have, if you see, there is a tiny fair value gap and we have SMT here. Okay, and it closed below this down close candle, so I'm expecting open low high close to the coming week. Okay, so something like that. This is my expectation. So GU looks good to short. See if there is anything on 4 hour. Yeah, some messy price action due to the CPI. Last week we had CPI on the Friday. That's why this price action. So what happened, if you look, if I look it deeply? See, first we came below this low, we expanded, formed the SMT, again came below, this rejection and closed below it. So now it is what? Now this is not the manipulation. This is now showing this breakout. If this is the breakout, then what we can expect? We can expect price should respect this area and to come to the downside. Okay, this is my expectation. Okay, now come to the gold. What is doing? Gold is now ranging on the daily. What do we have? Let me add uh, silver for the SMT. So what do we have? Silver came to this daily fair value gap, but gold didn't. Okay, so what do we have here? We have SMT. So will we consider this SMT? This SMT is so low. If you see this kind of low are so there is not much distance. So I am not trusting this low. Still, because price can easily come. Price can easily come and take this low and go up. Okay, so the distance is so small, so less, so we cannot trust this SMT until and unless we see some kind of rejection on the daily time frame. Okay, so just let me mark this fair value gap so that we can keep this in mind. Okay, so come to the daily. What do we have? We have SMT here. Okay, when we have SMT, why we are not expanding? This is the first question. Okay, we close the candle to here on the daily. This candle is supposed to expand. What this candle did? This candle closed above this down close candle. We have the swing formation, and this candle is supposed to expand. Why it didn't expand? Okay, so this is the first thing. So that means what? We are ranging. Okay, we are leaving this failure swing to this upside also. So Monday, I feel like we could have Monday can expand. Why? Because I saw this pattern many times. What happened? Price tried to push down, but what it did, it take the previous candle lows and closed up. See this rejection. Okay. So what Monday can do? Monday can simply retrace to the 50%, form the wick and should expand. Okay, this was my expectation. I look to buy on Monday gold. Okay, let's see for our see rejection are looking good. We came below this previous daily low. Now see this V type of signature. So rejection are looking good. Also what we are doing, we are inverting this fair value gap on the H4 and also we are respecting here. If you see 1 hour, what do we have? We form the order block and this is a strong close candle, bullish candle. So yeah, I am expecting gold should expand on Monday. Okay, I look to buy gold on Monday and my target will be this daily fair value gap. This will be the first target. Gold looks good to buy and GPP looks good to sell on Monday. Okay, so let's come to the GBP JPY. What do we have here? Last week we are expecting bullish close. So now see we have bullish close on last week as we have discussed on the weekly outlook and we are expecting this gap. Okay, and what we are doing, we are closing out this down close candle. So now we have order block. So what would be the target? Target would be the this high. Okay, this will be the target. And come to the daily. What do we have here? But this price action was not super nice because if you see, this is Monday. Monday tried to expand but failed. Tuesday expanded. Wednesday have deeper retracement. Thursday expand like small range. Though we have news, still we have the small range. Okay, this is not looking good. But still, I'm expecting some kind of upside move. What we are doing here, we are respecting this gap multiple times. We are not closing above it. So this thing also we need to keep in our mind. We need clear price action. So what we are doing here, we came towards this gap, try to come down, then again we came sweep this high and close below this up close candle. Now we have changed instead of delivery. So also we have a lot of failures in here. So GBP JPY is not looking so good to buy until and unless we see clear price action, something like price should disrespect this daily gap and then we can look to target because now there are no resistance here. So waiting game on the GBP JPY, no need to rush to buy. Okay. So yeah, this is the weekly outlook. So what do we have? Let's go through again. So expecting bullish move, expecting bullish move on the dollar. Okay, and price should expand from here. This is the first thing. And gold, Monday I am expecting continuation move to this upside. Okay, this is expectation only for Monday, not for the week. Okay, week we have to wait. We have to wait for this daily fair value gap either to fail or to hold. The two scenario. Okay, we need to wait. But Monday I am expecting continuation. Euro USD, I am expecting downside move, but this is the strongest pair. So it is better to short this GBP USD. Also, if you see, we form the bullish candle here, and GBP USD form the bearish candle. This is PSP, that means was precision swing point. So would be nice to sell. Okay. So yeah. So GBP USD and gold is clear to me. GBP JPY is not clear. Waiting game on the GBP JPY. Okay, so this is the weekly outlook. Yeah, looking good. Not that bad week I'm expecting. So I'll update. If I'll take any trade, I'll post it on the channel. Thank you.